5 Fascinating behaviors of kiwi birds. 1. Flightless nature. Kiwis are flightless birds, symbolizing the grounded and resilient spirit of the New Zealand people. 2. Shy and elusive. Kiwis tend to be secretive and shy, reflecting the modest and humble nature of New Zealanders. 3. Nesting rituals. Kiwis exhibit devoted parenting behaviors, with males incubating the eggs and both parents caring for the young. 4. Nocturnal habits. Kiwi birds are primarily active at night, showcasing their unique behavior among New Zealand's native birds. 5. Distinctive calls. Kiwis communicate through a variety of distinctive calls, adding to their charm as New Zealand's national bird.